The Derby School District is installing more vape detectors using grant money in its secondary schools. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm David Scott.
And I'm Deb Ferris. This comes after reports show more students are vaping at school. KAKE's Abby Wray is here with just how effective these detectors are. Abby?
With the rise of vaping nationally, the Derby School District decided to take a stronger stance than most to combat it, and administrators say it's working.
I think the more places we can put them, the more we can help try to get vapes completely out of our building, which would be our end game.
Derby High School, Middle School, and North Middle Schools all had vape detectors installed at the beginning of the school year. 49 divided throughout the three schools, all with a shared goal to deter vaping.
I think that they're helping keep our school safe. We don't have them everywhere within our building yet. We have a grant that we recently received that will help put them in more places within the building.
Soon, 41 more vape detectors will be added. But what exactly is a vape detector? It's exactly as the name says, a detector that senses vapors in the air and silently triggers an alarm to alert administrators. More than 80 students were caught last semester vaping by this new technology.
The first offense with the nicotine is we try to help educate and do a Vape Educate program, and that allows kids to kind of see and learn about the toxins that they're putting in their bodies. So trying to help combat that. It's a suspendable offense, though, to have a vape.
If there are repeated issues, though, law enforcement gets involved. In 2023, 75 students were arrested by law enforcement for tobacco violations.
So they're not actually physically taken somewhere. They're not put in handcuffs, anything like that. They're issued a citation to show up for court, and then they have whatever they have to deal with the school system as well.
The students are aware these detectors are in schools, but unaware what they look like and where exactly they are. The district just wants to keep students healthy and safe any way possible.
The district's not taking just an enforcement stand on this. We're also taking an educational stand on this, and we've added curriculum at the elementary and middle school levels to educate kids on what vapes are, what the dangers are.
These new detectors will cost the district just over $95,000, but the previously mentioned grant will help with almost $40,000 of that cost. In studio, Abby Wray, KAKE News on your side.